Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get invisible taskbar on Windows. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now you can see my taskbar is not visible. To make it visible, I just need to swipe down a bit, like this. Now, to get this feature on your Windows, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings. Now, once you selected Settings, come to the left side and click on Personalization. Under Personalization, you want to scroll down until you get to Taskbar, and then select it. Now scroll down the Taskbar page, click on Taskbar Behavior. Now scroll down, locate Automatically Hide Taskbar. If this is unchecked, your taskbar is going to be visible. Now to get invisible taskbar, all you need to do is check Hide Automatically, and then you see your taskbar become invisible. And that is it. So that is exactly how to get invisible taskbar on Windows. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.